Hello and welcome to Garage Auto Fix, the channel that helps you understand your vehicle better. We aim to empower you with knowledge about your car, and today we're focusing on an essential component, the fuel pump. Today we will delve into the signs of a failing fuel pump so you can be better prepared. Firstly, it's crucial to understand what a fuel pump does in your vehicle. This nifty piece of machinery is responsible for delivering fuel from the tank to the engine. But it's not just about transportation. The fuel pump also ensures that the fuel arrives at the engine at the appropriate pressure required for performance demands. This balancing act is key to your car's operation. Too low pressure and your engine may run lean, causing damage over time. Too high pressure and your engine could flood, leading to poor performance and increased emissions. A well-functioning fuel pump keeps everything in harmony. Now that we know what a fuel pump does, let's move on to the signs that indicate it might be failing. There are several warning signs that your fuel pump might be on its last legs. The first is decreased fuel efficiency. You may notice that your vehicle isn't getting the same mileage it once did. This could be due to a failing fuel pump that's working harder and using more fuel to deliver the same amount of power. Next up is power loss. This is particularly noticeable when the vehicle is under stress, such as when driving up a hill or carrying heavy loads. If your car struggles in these situations, it's possible that the fuel pump isn't delivering enough fuel to the engine. Thirdly, engine misfire can be a symptom. This usually happens when the fuel pump can't supply enough fuel to the engine, causing it to run unevenly or misfire. You might hear a sputtering sound or feel a jerk as you drive. Finally, difficulty in starting the car is another warning sign. This occurs when the fuel pump struggles to get enough fuel to the engine for it to start. You might find that the engine turns over several times before it fires up, or it might not start at all. Each of these symptoms alone might not necessarily indicate a failing fuel pump. However, if you're experiencing two or more of them, it's a strong sign that your fuel pump could be the culprit. If you notice any of these symptoms, it's critical to get your vehicle checked immediately. Before we wrap up, let's quickly recap the symptoms of a failing fuel pump. The fuel pump's role is crucial in delivering fuel from the tank to the engine. When it's failing, you might notice decreased fuel efficiency, engine sputtering at high speeds, or difficulty starting your vehicle. Remember, ignoring these symptoms can lead to more serious car issues. So stay tuned to Garage Auto Fix to keep your vehicle in top shape. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video.